Good morning, everyone, and welcome back again. I'm Miss Ali, and this is Science Equals Fun. In the previous video, we've talked about the erosion of ozone layer. In this video, we will talk about the global warming. Are you ready to start? Let's go. Okay, what is meant by the global warming? The global warming phenomenon, it is a continuous increase in the average temperature. So it is a continuous increase in the average temperature of the Earth's near surface of warming phenomenon. It is a continuous increase in the average temperature of the Earth's near surface area. Okay. Before we talk about the global warming, let's talk about the greenhouse. Okay. How does the greenhouse work? Okay, what happened? At first, we have the sun. Okay, the greenhouse, of course, at first it is used for planting the crops. Okay, we have plants that grow in summer and other plants that grow in winter. Okay, now we are in winter and we want to eat a certain fruit or a vegetable that only grows in summer. What should we do? We will use greenhouse. The greenhouse is used for growing the plants that grow in a certain seasons. Okay, so how does the greenhouse work? At first, we have the rays from the sun. These rays from the sun, the glass of the greenhouse absorbs these rays and then prevent it from getting out, mean traps these rays. So the glass allows the rays to come in but prevent it from getting out, meaning it traps these rays. Causing what? Causing the increase in temperature within the greenhouse. So again, the greenhouse allows the rays to get in but prevent it from getting out, means it traps it. And this causes what? This causes the increase in temperature within the greenhouse. This is how the greenhouse looks from inside. And as I've said, the greenhouse, the glass of the greenhouse allows the rays to come in but prevent it from getting out. And this causes the increase in temperature, and this helps the plants in the greenhouse to grow. Now let's talk about the greenhouse gases. The greenhouse gases, these are gases that cause the global warming, and in the next few slides, we will learn why we call them a greenhouse gases. What is the relation between a greenhouse gases and the normal greenhouse we know? Okay. And then the Earth will absorb these rays and re-emit what? Re-emit infrared rays. These infrared rays at a normal amount of greenhouse gases, these normal rays will easily get out of the atmosphere. While in the case of increasing the amount of greenhouse gases, we will notice that the sun will emit, as usual, a visible light and short-wave rays, and the earth will absorb these rays and re-emit infrared rays. But in case of the increase in the amount of greenhouse gases, here we have these gases will form a layer and prevent these rays from getting out of the atmosphere. So this means the greenhouse gases trap what? Trap the infrared rays, which here is represented by the red rays, will trap these infrared rays and prevent them from getting out of the earth or getting out of the atmosphere. And this will cause the increase of the temperature. Okay, let's explain it again here. Here we have the sun. The sun emits visible light. So here we have the sun. The sun emits visible light and short-wave rays, and then the earth will absorb these rays and then re-emit infrared radiations. In the normal amount of greenhouse gases, these infrared radiation will be able to get out of the atmosphere. But in case the a huge amount of the increase in the amount of greenhouse gases, these rays will be trapped within the atmosphere and it will not be allowed to get out of the atmosphere, and this will cause the increase in the temperature of the earth, causing global warming. Okay, here again here the greenhouse gases, carbon dioxide, methane, CFCs, ozone, nitrous oxide. These are the greenhouse gases that increase in case of increasing the amount of these gases, they will prevent the penetration of infrared rays, and the infrared rays will be trapped within the atmosphere, and this will cause the increase in temperature of the earth, causing the global warming. Okay, now let's talk a little about the negative effect of global warming. Okay, the first negative effect of the global warming. Sorry, a minute. Okay. The first negative effect of global warming is melting of snow of both South and North Pole. Okay. The melting of the ice or of the snow will cause also other things, which are disappearance of some coastal areas. Some areas will disappear, and extinction of some polar animals, such as polar bear and seals. So some areas will disappear, and some animals will be extinct. Like what? Like the polar bear and the seals. Okay. Melting the snow is not the only thing that will happen due to the global warming. We have also severe climate changes. Severe like what? Like tropical hurricanes. Tropical hurricanes such as Katrina that happened in 2005. So the first severe climate change is tropical hurricanes. Okay, what else? Destructive floods. And what else? Drought waves and forest fires. All of these are severe climate changes. So again, tropical hurricane like Katrina, destructive floods, drought waves, and forest fires. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any inquiries, comment below, and thank you for watching.